welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be trying something that I always wanted to try but could never get my hands on because every time I went to the website it was sold out. But I finally got my hands on it. So if you read by the title, you know what this is. This is the Green Beauty protein treatment, the real protein treatment. Now if you are not new to my channel, you know that I have tried multiple protein deep conditioners, one of them being the protein deep conditioner from the Natural Spot. Also I tried a protein deep conditioner called the Texture Treatment from G in the CurlyKin line. I also tried the G 2-step protein treatment, but I don't know if I tried it on my channel yet. So if you want to see me that video, comment down below and I'll get that video out for you guys. But I have seen this protein treatment on Natural Rain, aka Jalen Mitchell, social media. I seen it on her YouTube and I was like, I want to get it. And as soon as the video came out, you know, I watched the video and I was like, okay, I gotta try it. Even though I am low porosity, you know, it's always nice to have a little protein in your hair. So I was like, okay, let me go get it. No, sold out. And I was like, okay, you know, we can wait. So I waited, I don't know how long, tried to go and get it, still sold out. And I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do? And then I just seen, like, I think one of my mutuals do this on her hair and she was talking about it. And I was like, okay, third time's the charm. And I finally got my hands on it. And it was only $11. So I was like, I'm getting it. And I don't really need that much because it's a protein treatment and you're not supposed to put a lot of protein on your hair. So I got the 4 ounce. They also sell an 8 ounce, but as I said, I'm a low porosity person, so I really don't need that much protein in my hair or in my routine. So I just opted for the 4 ounce. So let's see what this real protein treatment can do for my hair. So I'm going to read it off of my phone so I can, off of the website, so I can, you know, let you guys know what it is. It says it's derived from soft organic wheat. The real protein treatment is specifically formulated for its instructed use. Its unique low molecular weight gives it the ability to penetrate and patch up damaged areas along your hair's cuticle layers. It is an essential hair treatment that increases your hair ability to receive and maintain a consistent amount of moisture. After this treatment, your hair will instantly feel really strong and soft at the same time. Directions for both high and low porosity and normal porosity, so you can know what you're supposed to do for your hair. And since I am a low porosity person, it says mix 1.5 ounces or 3 tablespoons of the real protein treatment to a half of cup of conditioner. It recommended regimen for once a month. And then they said they got the rest of it for, you know, medium and high, but it seems like you just double up the amount of tablespoons that you use, you know, for your hair. I'm gonna smell it because, you know, I have, if you know, you know, I have a thing about smelling stuff because most of the time I want stuff that's going on my hair to smell good. I don't smell nothing. At first I got like a hint of like chocolate, but I was like, I don't think that's right. So okay. But the deep conditioner of choice is going to be, it's a deep conditioner that I haven't used in a while. It's the Twist by Byeee Sunday Feels Deeply Hydrating Hair Mask. And I haven't used it in a while, but it's, you know, close to the bottom as you can see. So that means I won't have like a whole bunch of just protein deep conditioner, you know, sitting around. So I'm going to use this spoon and I'm gonna try to show you how I do it. Hopefully I don't mess nothing up, because if you don't know, I'm very clumsy and I don't want to ruin anything. But as you can tell, I am shaking. Okay, so I think that's one. Jeez. and I'm gonna do the rest down here so I don't spill nothing, because I feel like this is very dangerous. So that's how much I used. Doesn't look like I used a lot. I feel like I can get more wash days out of it, which is great. This is what it's looking like in the container. You can't see, but the liquid is running all the way to the other side. So now it's just time to stir it up. This reminds me of a perm, because you know you got to mix the other product with the white stuff. Mixy, 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 mixy. So this is what it's looking like now. Looking really nice and creamy. So now it's time to just apply it to my hair. You can go and see it. So now it's time to apply it. This is what it's looking like. The deep conditioner at first was like really thick, so the fact that I added the protein treatment, it made it kind of creamy and like easier to like spread and stuff, of course, because it's kind of liquidy, but you know. So applying it onto my hair. Okay, so I have applied it all over my head, and it only took me about 5 minutes to put it on, and it's still some in there, so I can get maybe like another use out of it, or I can give it to, you know, whoever, like my sister or something like that. So now you are supposed to wait. You're supposed to wait 45 minutes without a dryer and 30 minutes with a dryer. I don't have a dryer, so 45 minutes. So this is what my hair is looking like after the protein deep conditioner mix, and I must say, curl definition is there. My hair really soft, really soft, probably because of the deep conditioner, but I don't know about the, you know, strengthening. I'm probably gonna have to use it more than one time, of course, but for right now I like it. It's a nice little concoction to mix up to get your hair, you know, how you want it. And it's for the people who don't really know how to do protein treatments, or if you are protein sensitive like me, it's a easier way out, because, you know, just, okay, I don't think I'm protein sensitive, I'm just low pricey. So for the people who are protein sensitive, I feel like this is a better way than just putting the protein directly on your hair, like with the AlphaG two-step protein treatment, because that could be a lot, you know. So mixing it in with your deep conditioner, I feel like that's a good idea. So for right now, I recommend you try it. You know, if you just want to see if it works for your hair, I recommend you go and try it. I'll leave the links down below so you can go and check it out. But that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.